Good morning, student. Today we are dealing class 3 science chapter 2. The name of the chapter is human body. We have already completed the reading portion of this chapter. Now today it's part of doing the answer question. We have completed digestive system, skeletal system, nervous system, circulatory system, excretory system, reproductive systems, and different controlling of air pollution, problem of air pollution, everything we have completed. I have given you some homework also. So before we will start this chapter answer question, there is a video, small video. That is a revised portion of this chapter. Go through the video, then we will start the answer question. Okay, children?
We have learned about plants and animals. Now let us know about ourselves.
The human body is a wonderful mission created by God. It will be very interesting to learn about its performance. Let us first see how human body is made up of. Cells. Living organisms are made up of small structures called cells. The cell is the basic structural unit of a living organism. Cells are very, very small. They cannot be seen with naked eyes. They can be seen only through a microscope. Tissues. Cells, when grouped together, form a tissue. Tissue form an organ. Organs. Tissues combine together to form larger units which are called organs. Examples are stomach, intestine, liver, kidney, and heart. These organs carry out various functions inside the body. Digestive system. Let us know about our digestive system. It helps to digest the food we eat. The complex food materials are broken down into simple substances. The waste materials are excreted out through the excretory system. Muscular and skeletal system. The muscular and skeletal system gives our body the shape and support. Respiratory system. This system helps to supply oxygen to the blood and removes carbon dioxide from the blood. There are a pair of lungs on either side of the heart. Nervous system. The sense organs in our body sends message to the brain, and the brain orders for function through the nervous system. Circulatory system. This is otherwise called a transporting system of our body. It supplies nutrients to different parts of our body through blood and also collects waste materials from various parts of our body. Sense organs. How many sense organs do we have?
There are 5 sense organs in our body.
Can anyone name them?
Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin.
Good. I will tell you how our sense organs help us in our daily life. Eyes help us to see the objects around us. Eyelids protect the eyes from external danger. Eyelashes prevent dust from entering our eyes. Ears are the organs which helps us to hear the sound created around us. The nose helps us to smell. The tongue is an organ of taste with taste buds on their surface, which helps us to taste different types of foods. Human body is fully covered with smooth layer called the skin. The skin protects the organs inside the body.
Okay, children. Now it's a time for doing the answer question. I have given you this A, B, C, D portion to do in your copy. You just check your answer from here. Which of these makes bones move? The answer is muscles. Right, the first answer is muscles. Second question is, the organ systems that help to digest food is, tick the B portion, that is digestive system. Question number 3 is, which of these is not a part of respiratory system? So we have learned the respiratory system. So which are the other portions which are comes under respiratory systems? Windpipe, lungs, all came, but only the food pipe. Okay. Question number 4, the smallest part of all the living being is cell. Question number 5, blood vessels and heart form the circulatory system. So tick the answers. Ma'am is giving the answers, so tick the answers accordingly. Okay. Now write true and false. Student, there is options of true and false, doing true and false. So the first question is, our body would have no shape without skeletal system. It's true. Skeletal system help us to make the shape of the body. Okay. Question number 2, food travels from mouth to the lungs. Is it like that? Food travels from mouth to lungs? No, na? Food travels from mouth to stomach. So 2 is false. 3, all living things are made up of cells. True. So write true. Write T. 4, organs together make a tissue. Organs together make a tissue. No, na? Together tissues make a organ. So 4 is false. 5, the spinal cord connect the brain to the nerves. Spinal cord connect the brains to the nerves. It's true. Okay, turn the page. There is, in the C portion, there is a match the column. Match the following. So ma'am is writing the answers. Just column A and column B, ma'am is giving the answer just beside of the question only. Excretory system. Question 1, excretory system, kidney. C portion. 2, nervous system, brain. Brain is A number. 3, digestive system, food pipe. 4, respiratory system, lungs. 5, muscular system, muscles. Note down fast. Can I revise from A? From A? Note down fast. Okay. Now write these answer questions in your book as well as in your copy also. These A, B, C should be done in your book as well as in copy. First, just now do it in your book, and then you will copy the same thing in your notebook. Okay. Now let's do the question number D. Answer the following question in short. Take out your book. Start writing the answer in the book. Then you will do write in your copy. What is the first question? How do our muscles help us? Muscles help us to move the different parts of our body. Right? muscles help us to move the different parts of our body. Okay, have you written? Okay, let me just turn my camera. It is much better now. How do our muscles help us? Muscles help us to move the different parts of our body. These are the short answer question. So only one line or two line is the maximum answer required. Okay. Now what is digestion? The process of changing food substances that that our body can use is called digestion. The process of changing food substances, write accordingly. The process of changing food substances that our body can use is called digestion. Note down fast. The process of changing food substances that our body can use is called digestion. What is the role of kidneys in our body? Okay, I already taught you the role of kidney. Kidney works as filters and remove waste from blood in the form of urine. So what is the function of kidney? Kidney work as filters and work as filters and work as filters. No, don't write filters, write filter. Work as filter and remove waste from blood in the form of urine. Okay. Write it fast. Now, write 2 ways of breathing correctly. Ma'am has already taught you. Write 2 ways of breathing correctly. How we should breathe correctly. The answer should be the 2 ways of breathing correctly are, just write here, are always breathe in fresh air, full stop. Keep the door and windows open for fresh air. So how can you breathe a fresh air? For that we have to open our door and windows of your house so that we will get a fresh air. Okay. Now 2 ways of breathing correctly are: first, always breathe in fresh air. Keep the door and windows open for fresh air. Second, always breathe through your nose. So these are important 2 ways of breathing correctly. I am showing you once again the answers of D. Write the following questions in short D. I am showing you for 1 minute more, so that whatever you have left, you write it fast. Okay children, let's do the long answer question. Answer the following question in details. So in long answer question, the answer should be of 4 lines, 5 lines. You have to give the details. Even the marks of these long answer questions are of 5 marks, 6 marks, like that. So it need to be written in 6 lines or 5 lines. It should be explained properly. Okay, so what is the first question? What are cells? Explain how do cells form an organ system. So there are two questions in the same question. There are two patterns of the question. First you have to define what is cells, and then you have to write how do cells form an organ system. Okay, now answer is cells are the building block of human body. They are the building block of human body. Our body is made up of millions of cells. So up to here you have to write the definition of cells. Okay, what is cells? Cells are the building block of human body. Our body is made up of millions of cells. Right? Now, how do cells form an organ system? So I have already taught you, even in this video. There is a small video I have shown you, that is an animated video. It is very easily explained. Similar type of cells join together to form a tissue, and a group of tissue join together to form an organ. A group of organs join together to form an organ system. So in this way cells form an organ system. So it is the base is cells only. It one by one, when they cells join, they form a tissue, and one by one when tissue join, they form an organ, and a similar type of organs join together, they form an organ system. Okay, so this is a big answer. You take your time and write it fast. I am showing you the answer properly. So let's do the question number 2. Explain the function of nervous system. So what is the function of nervous system? Answer: nervous system is made up of brain, spinal cord and nerves. So main organs of nervous systems are brain, spinal cord and nerves. The brain gives order to different parts of our body. The nerves take these orders and send to muscles, bones and other part of body. Okay, so you write it up to here. Then the spinal cord connects all the nerves of the body to the brain. So these three are very important. Which are important for the nervous system? Brain, spinal cord and nerves. What brain gives? The brain gives orders to different part of the body. Write the answer. Okay, now write the function of the following. Lungs. The main function of lungs is to transport oxygen from air, that is called breathe in, to blood and breathe out carbon dioxide. Just write in a one sentence, one line, what the function of lungs. The main function of lungs is to transport oxygen from air, bracket breathe in, to blood and breathe out carbon dioxide. What is the main function of heart? The main function of heart is pumps blood to all the organs of the body. Okay children, I have already given you this as a homework, right? This is the same way. Kidney's main function is to filter and remove waste. Filter and remove waste. Filter and remove waste from the body. Okay, the last question is, name the organs of circulatory system and explain how they work together. First, we have to write the organs of circulatory system. The organs of circulatory systems are heart, blood and blood vessel. And how they work, that is a question 2. So the question 2 is, heart pumps blood to all organs of the body. This blood is carried by the blood vessels, which are thin tubes to all parts of our body. In this way, our circulatory system work together. Okay, so what happened? The blood pumps the blood, and which portion carried that blood? Blood vessel. Write the answer. Now I have given you some assignments there. Complete the Think Jones section E, page number 22, and value based questions section Z by your own. You have to think about your own and you have to write in your book. I want to see how you think, how you give your value based question. Value based questions help you to increase your value, your new morals, so it help you to give the question easily. Okay, now children, I am completing this video. If you have not completed any questions, you go through the video again, write the answer, stop the video, then write your answer, then again you go through the video whatever time you want, but complete these answers in your book as well as in copy. Thank you. Complete your assignment as well. Thank you children. Thanks a lot.